Okay, you guys, so today's lesson is very easy. We're now moving on to topic 11, lesson 5. It'll be a 2-day lesson, or 3, depending on how much time we have and how much we get done. So the objective, remember, you don't have to take notes. That's only if you want to. Because you can always rewatch the video. So our objective for the day, today, I will find the area. Today I will find the area of a rectangle. A rectangle. Very simple, straightforward. So today we are finding the area of a rectangle. So star idea, we should already know the formula for area since last year. So area is equal to length times width. So basically all you're doing today is going to be multiplying the length and the width of a given shape. So that's me. Let me give you an example. So let's look at number 5, and I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to go to number 5. So number 5, it says copy and complete the drawings to find the area of each rectangle. You're not going to do that. Don't copy the rectangle. You're only going to be multiplying. So here we have 5. Number 5. A third and 4/6 yards. We're finding the area and the length. So here we have a rectangle. So my length is 4/6 and my width is a third. So basically what I'm going to do is going to plug in both of the so this is my example. So both of the measurements. So I know that area, so here's my example. So I know that area is equal to length times width. So always write down the formula. Area, I know the length is 4/6, and then my width is a third. We already know how to multiply fractions. We can multiply straight across or horizontally. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 times 3 is 18. Can I simplify 4/18? I can. So simplify when possible. When I do so, I know that they're both even numbers, so I'm going to simplify by 2, divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. My answer is not 2/9. Don't forget that you have to include 2/9 yards and then square. When we find area, you need to include square. So that's basically all you're doing today. First, write down area is equal length times width. Then you plug in the measurements for length and the measurements for width. So I'll do number 1 in guided practice. So in guided practice number 1, in your textbook on page 264, it says find the area of a rectangle with sides of lengths 2/3 foot and a half foot. So that means, for my second and last example, okay, number 2, my second example, again, I'm starting with area is equal to length times width, and then area is equal to 2/3 times 1/2. Then I multiply horizontally. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. I simplify by 2. So that gives me a third. However, it's not just a third, it's a third square feet. So you can write it in two ways. You can either write square, or you can do 1/3 feet square. So either or is acceptable. You can either write the name, or use the word square, and then have the unit of measure, or you can have the unit of measure and then have the exponent 2 square. So it is totally up to you. So with that being said, let me go back to the first example. So here, my first example, the answer was 2/9 yards square. But I could have also written it as 2/9. I'm sorry for my shadow. My big head's in the way. Square feet. Again, so for today's assignment, don't forget, you're not drawing to find the area. You're not doing that. You're just multiplying. We're practicing how to multiply. Don't forget, since we're finding area, you need the formula. You plug in the unit, you plug in the fractions, and then you write the unit of measurement, and you have to include square because we are finding area. So you can either include the unit of measure first, then the exponent, or you can include the word square and then the unit of measurement. It is totally up to you.